40 years ago, a small Canadian business was born. What started out as a knitting mill expanded into a global success story, a leader in responsible apparel manufacturing. While our roots remain in Canada, home to our headquarters, our success was propelled by a strategic expansion to the south in 1997, where we opened our first sewing facility in Honduras and a number of other textile facilities over time. We then grew our marketing and sales capabilities with offices in Charleston and Barbados, now leading these efforts, and expanded our reach into the United States, entering the European market as well. This elevated us to new heights. But we didn't stop there. To support our success, we expanded our distribution network. In the early 2000s, we began our sustainability journey with the launch of our BioTop to treat our wastewaters, and started implementing environmental standards. Not long after, we released our first ever ESG report and focused heavily on incorporating industry-leading social standards across our supply chain, prioritizing health and safety and giving back to our communities. We also began operations in Nicaragua to grow our sewing capabilities, and we entered Asia Pacific, starting with the Australian market. Then came our expansion to the Dominican Republic, where we began using biomass to power our textiles facilities. In 2010, we ventured further east with the acquisition and modernization of our facility in Bangladesh. And as of 2012 onward, we began making large investments in yarn spinning in the United States, converting high-quality cotton into yarn. Through all of this, and so much more, we have shown that while our products matter, how we make them matters even more. By championing social and environmental initiatives in our operations and beyond, we make apparel with respect. All of this is made possible thanks to our incredible people who drive us forward every day. Our achievements speak for themselves. As you can see, we have a lot to be proud of and celebrate. So, thank you to each one of you for being part of our story, our employees, customers, business partners, and investors. Here's to 40 years of success and many more to come.